Ever wondered how to make a paper airplane that flies far? Today, we will quench your curiosity. This isn't just a craft, it's a fun experiment that combines creativity and aerodynamics. In just 5 easy steps, you'll be able to create an airplane that soars high and far. First things first, gather your materials. All you need is a single sheet of paper, but remember, not just any paper will do. The size and quality are key to crafting a high-flying paper airplane. Once you've got your paper, you're ready to start folding. With your paper in hand, it's time to start crafting your airplane. First, fold the paper in half lengthwise, creating a crease down the center. This is the backbone of your airplane, so make sure it's straight and sharp. Step 2 involves folding the top corners inward to meet at the center crease, forming a point at the top. This creates the nose of your plane. For the third step, fold the pointed top down so its edge meets the bottom of the paper. This forms a small triangle on one side. Now let's move to step 4. Fold the top corners in again, creating a narrow diamond shape. Finally, fold the plane in half along the original center crease, with the diamond on the outside. Then fold the wings down, aligning them with the bottom of the plane, and there you have it, your very own paper airplane is ready for flight. But how do you make it fly far? Let's find out. To ensure a long flight, hold the airplane in the middle and throw it gently forward. A slight tilt upwards can help. Don't forget, it's all about the wrist movement. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't be discouraged if your first few attempts don't go as planned. Let's quickly recap the steps to make your paper airplane. First, gather your materials, then fold your paper through 5 simple steps. Finally, let it glide into the sky. So, go ahead, make your own paper airplane and watch it soar. Until next time, keep exploring and keep having fun.